soul still burning. So hold me close, now baby. I do what I'm told, still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah. You got me shifting the paradigm, no longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride, look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah. We could roll the dice, act like you surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you,
More big leaguers! Time to keep rolling. That's right, y'all. For the 12th annual SLUG, we have an after party. We're going to keep the music going. We're going to keep the vibes going. Thank you all so much again for coming out and participating. This event would be very boring without you here. So thank you very much for coming out. We love you. We'll see you next year. Stick around for the after party.
Yeah, you got me shifting the paradigm. No longer wishing, you're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride, look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1 million life, yeah. We could roll the dice, act like you surprised.